Your sleeve of cleats, just like that. We're going to be right in there, just like that. So if you look, there is a cutout right there. You should be able to see the top of those cleats in that cutout. And that's it. Go ahead and put the pusher behind it.
Ready to go.
And you're ready to go. So we're in our repair shop. I'm joined by Mark Keller. Mark is a mechanic here and does a lot of the nailer repairs and handles a lot of questions that you may have with regard to either repair or operation of staplers and nailers from Primatech. We're going to go over in this video together loading a Primatech. Now we have a Q550 here, model-wise cleat nailer. This is 18 gauge, but the 550 would be load the same way. Even if you had an extended channel, you're going to load the same way. No, there isn't going to be any change to loading the cleats in the nailer. And then let them know where people get confused on adding the cleats.
A lot of problems we have is people don't know how to load the cleats. Some people try and load them like down in here, like that. Wrong way, not the right way. You're going to go all the way up top. Right up there. See how that's loaded in? Right like that. It's going down. Pull this back. Make sure the pusher, this part here, this white part, catches on the back. If not, it'll go all the way down like that, and you won't have enough pressure to push the cleats into the channel. You want to pull it back, make sure it stops on there.
So what Mark was mentioning there, make sure that this pusher gets behind, that sleeve of cleats that you put in. And that's important because as that cleat goes through the guide, it's going to get driven in by a drive blade that comes down, from the air pressure in your gun when you release it and hit. So you want that seated all the way down flush against the backside of the plate so that that driver pin doesn't go on top or behind the cleat or bend it. We'll load it up. Your sleeve of cleats, just like that. We're going to be right in there, just like that. So if you look, there is a cutout right there. You should be able to see the top of those cleats in that cutout. And that's it. Go ahead and put the pusher behind it.
Ready to go.
And you're ready to go. All right, so just so you know, what the unit that we're using here with the label right there, right, says green 550. Mark just pointed this out, which is a great idea. So green goes in the 550 or 18 gauge. So 18 gauge nails, we just happen to have a stapler here, yellow on the 550. So yellow is going to be the 2-inch stapler. All right, so if you have any questions loading the Primatech cleat nailer, you can give us a call at 800-737-1786 or go to cityfloorsupply.com. Go ahead on the manufacturer's column, click on Primatech, and all of this information will also be there.